Xiaomi also unveiled the new Redmi Pad Pro with the Snapdragon S Gen 2 processor. This would be the high-end tablet from Redmi, however, in general we could say it is a mid-range tablet. We have to remember that Xiaomi uses the Redmi brand for slightly more affordable devices and the Xiaomi brand for high-end series devices. So the tablet is equipped with a 12.1-inch LCD screen and its resolution is denoted by the letter K. Also, it boasts 120 Hz in refresh rate with peak brightness of 600 nits. Both the rear camera and the front camera are 8 megapixels and also include support for a special stylus. The CPU, as mentioned, is the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Battery 10,000 mAh 33W charging, OS HyperOS. If you bring headphones and have Wi-Fi 6, the base model has 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage. Pay attention to price, as it's very low. In China, it debuted at 1,299 yuan. On screen, see reference price in other currencies for an idea, but remember prices here not same as ones over there. Once again, we'll have to wait to find out if Xiaomi is going to distribute this tablet globally or not. In any case, there are numerous individuals who typically import this kind of products at very competitive prices.